Hi, I'm Zoe, and in this video we're going to be looking at using place value counters to support the methods for dividing a two-digit number by a single-digit number. This is a really visual method and enhances what pupils already know about numbers and enables us to show them the bus stop method, and hopefully they start making those links. In this, it's all about sharing, and when we can't share, it's about exchanging so that we can. So let's start with our problem. 64 divided by 4. The first thing we're going to do is model our number using place value counters. So we've got 6 tens and 4 ones. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to share it into 4 groups. So we've got our 4 groups, making this a really visual method. We're going to share our tens first. So we're putting our tens into each group. Now we can see we've got 1 10 in each group, so we can put a 1 on our bus stop method. We've got 2 tens left. They won't fit equally in, so we need now maybe to ask the pupils how we can go about sharing this. What we can do is then show them we can exchange our tens for 10 ones. So now our tens have been replaced by ones. What they should see now is we haven't got any tens anymore. What we have is 24 ones. This is where the 2 is in our bus stop method. Now we go back to sharing as we did before. So all of our counters need to be shared equally amongst our groups as we go through. Our pupils can take their time with this. As you can see, I'm taking mine 2 at a time just to speed it up. But again, you'd encourage pupils to take them 1 at a time so that they didn't make any mistakes. Sharing our last 4 out. And again, I would encourage pupils here, especially if they're used to using Numicon, to maybe put them in that right shape so they could see them really clearly. We can see that each group contains 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. And that's where our 6 comes from here. So have we finished our problem? 64 divided by 4. Yes, there is 16 in each group. And that's how we use our place value counters to do division.